Looks like this dog ate herself to sleep, or himself, I guess. But people leave dog food all over. They really do take care of the street dogs, and that's kind of how they get fed. Plus, if you just look around, there's so much trash and just scraps that dogs can find plenty of stuff just in the bushes. People throwing away coconut drinks. Yeah, like for instance, here's a bunch of like coconut drinks. I'm sure dogs just munch on those. This guy's got a cool little shop. Another dog just passed out. We got a beach street dog living it up on the beach. Street dogs got it good here. Couple little puppers. Hey guys. Hey. Hey. How are you? Oh, some nice dogs. Got street dogs on the run. Another street dog just chilling. How you doing, buddy? I'm a friend. He's a really nice little dog. A lot of these dogs are kind of tore up or have scabs or whatever. He looks pretty clean. He's a little skittish, it looks like, so I'm gonna let him be. A couple dogs just chilling right outside this Family Mart, literally right outside the door, looking for handouts, anything they can get. Pack of street dogs, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Look at this dog. You think you're people? Just living it up. Then we got the classic dog on the table. What's up? How you doing, girl? Chilling in the shade on the table. One dog on the bench, the other on the table. Street dog's got it made over here. What are you dogs doing? Huh? I remember when you guys were puppies. Now you're all grown up. Look at this ragtag crew of dogs. What do you got there? What are you dogs doing? Hi. Couple of street dogs here. Damn. Look at the balls on that one. Holy shit. Yeah, 3 street dogs, and then there's another street dog out there. Just chilling. And here's some more dog food somebody left out. And it looks like some water. So Thais really do love animals. Most Thais are vegetarian, I think. So they really do take care of their animals, even if they're not their dogs. It's a dog's life. Oh. We got one dog here. Street dog. Hey, buddy. We got one dog. Got one dog under the car. Got a street dog. What are you doing, dog? Hey, buddy. Another street dog just chilling. Mama dog. You okay? Whoa. okay, dog? Couple more dogs chilling out in front of a restaurant right next to a crotch rocket. Some more street dogs on the prowl, looking for some handouts for food, just like any normal dog. What are you guys doing? You got a pillow? You got a little sign? What's going on here? Where's the person that owns that rug? We got a whole pack of street dogs here. Right on the edge of the jungle. We got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 street dogs just chilling in this kind of little jungle type neighborhood area. Just living it up. Dog life. We got one of them barking at me. Uh-oh. They're getting a little rambunctious, so it's probably my time to leave. See if they're gonna like chase me. Nope. I think I'm good. Bunch of street dogs here. We got 3 of them right here. There's a 4th one kind of running off in the distance there. And then if we walk this way, we got a band of street dogs here. I don't know how many it is. 7 dogs I see. Let's get a shot, closer shot of these guys. Yeah, and here's some more dog food and a bowl of water for the dogs. So it's all over the place. They have plenty of food.